next one, 3 numbers, 4 numbers and 5 numbers of an arithmetic progression can be taken as, first for 3 numbers, a minus d, comma, a plus d. Second one is a minus 3d, comma, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. For fifth term or in arithmetic progression, we get a minus 2d, a minus d, a, comma, a plus d and a plus 2d. So to get this is the 3 terms in arithmetic progression, 4 term in arithmetic progression and 5 terms in an arithmetic progression. Now the next one topic of this geometric progression, that is GP, geometric progression. If sequence T1, T2, T3 up to so on Tn is called geometric progression. Is called geometric progression if Tn plus 1 upon Tn is equal to A, constant. That means the ratio of the two consecutive terms is a constant. Then to get a geometric progression, if A is equal to first term, and R is equal to common ratio, then to get the first term of A is a first term and R is a common ratio, then to get the nth term of geometric progression is Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. In that A is our first term and R is our common ratio. Similarly, second, if to find out the sum of the first nth term of geometric progression, then to get Sn is equal to A inside the bracket 1 minus R raised to n upon 1 minus R if R is a less than 1. जब आपका common ratio is a less than 1, that means in the negative, then apply for the sum. Apply the formula sum of the first nth term Sn is equal to A inside the bracket 1 minus R raised to n upon 1 minus R and condition R is strictly less than 1. Second formula, Sn is equal to A inside the bracket R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1 if R is greater than 1. That means if to get the common ratio is a positive, that means greater than 1, then apply the formula Sn is equal to A inside the bracket R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. And the third one, Sn is equal to, if R is equal to 1, Sn is equal to n into A if R is equal to 1. Now, if we take 3 terms, 4 terms and 5 terms in a geometric progression, then we write the first 3 terms in geometric progression A by R, A into R. Now, the second 4th term in geometric progression to get A upon R cube, A upon R, AR and AR cube. These 4 terms are in a geometric progression. Third one is 5th term in a geometric progression, then to get A upon R square, A by R, AR and AR square. This is 3 term in geometric progression. This one is 4 term in geometric progression and this one is the 5th term in a geometric progression. Now see the exercise 2.1. In that the first question, check whether the following sequence are GP, that is geometric progression. If so, write Tn. What you have to check, the given sequence is a geometric progression or not, and then to write its Tn term. Okay. So check the first example 2, 6, 18, 54. First to identify the given sequence is geometric progression or not. Here answer, the given sequence is 2, 6, 18, 54. So to get the first term of this sequence, T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 6, T3 is equal to 18 and T4 is equal to 54. First, to identify the given sequence is a geometric progression or not. Before that, you have to see what is meant by geometric progression. If the ratio between any two consecutive term is a constant, then to get the geometric progression, that is Tn plus 1 upon Tn. Okay. So here find Tn plus 1 upon Tn is equal to R. This is our formula. So to find the ratio between any two consecutive term is a constant. So first check. If we substitute here value of n is the 1, then to get 1 plus 1 means 2, that is T2 upon T1. Substitute here the value of T2 is the 6 upon T1 is the 2. Then to get is equal to 3. That is the ratio of the two consecutive term is the 3. So to get R is equal to 3. Similarly check for the next. Then to get T3 upon T2 is equal to get T3 is the 18 upon T2 is the 6. That means to get 3. Value of R is equal to 3. Same as check for the next term. So to get T4 upon T3. Here the value of T4 is the 54 upon T3 is the 18. That means to get the common ratio of this 3. Therefore, the given sequence is a geometric progression because here R is the same for all. So next, so the given sequence is a geometric progression. Then to find its nth term, that is Tn is equal to formula A into R raised to n minus 1. Here A is our first term and is a common ratio. So substitute here Tn is equal to A is first term and it is also denoted by T1. So to get the value of A is the 2 into R is a common ratio. So R is the 3 raised to n minus 1. So to get Tn is equal to 2 into 3 raised to n minus 1. This is the nth term of geometric progression. Now to check the second example. See the second example. 1 comma minus 5, 25 comma minus 125. Similarly to check this second example, it is a geometric progression. If it is geometric progression, then to find its nth term. So similarly, the given sequence is 1 comma minus 5 comma 25 minus 125. So to get T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to minus 5, T3 is equal to 25 and T4 is equal to minus 125. If we find out the common ratio, then to get T2 upon T1 is equal to its R, that is a common ratio. So first T2 upon T1 is equal to substitute the value of T2 is a minus 5 upon T1 is the 1. So to get the common ratio is minus 5. If we find for similarly for T3 upon T2, T4 upon T3, so to get the common ratio is the same for all sequence. So here the given sequence is a geometric progression. So that's why to find its nth term, that is Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Substitute here A means first term. So first term of this sequence is the 1. So to get Tn is equal to 1 into R, common ratio is a minus 5 raised to n minus 1. That means to get Tn is equal to minus 5 raised to n minus 1. Now the second example of exercise 2.1. For the GP, R is equal to 1 by 3, A is equal to 9. Then to find its T7. So using the formula, Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Here to find T7, that means the value of n is the 7. So to get the seventh term of geometric progression, n is replaced by 7 because to find T7, that is T7 is equal to A is our first term, here given A is equal to 9. So 9 into R is also given 1 raised to 1 by 3 raised to n is 7 minus 1. So to get T7 is equal to 9 inside the bracket 1 upon 3 raised to 6. So T7 is equal to 9 is written as 3 square. Here 1 by 3 raised to power 6, that means 1 raised to 6 upon 3 raised to 6. Here 3 square and 3 raised to 6 cancel. So to get T7 is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to power 4. That means 3 multiply its 4 times. So to get 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So get 3 into 3 is a 9 and 3 into 3 is 9. That means 9 into 9 is a 181. That is to get T7 is equal to 1 upon 81. This is the 7th term of geometric progression. Now second to find here the example, if R is equal to minus 3 and T6 is equal to 1701, then to find its first term, that is A. Same as here the given R and also 6th term of geometric progression. So to find the first term of geometric progression, see here, same apply the formula. Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Here the 6th term is given, that means T6 is equal to calculate its first term, that means A as it is, value of R is a minus 3 raised to value of n is a 6 minus 1. So to get T6 is equal to A minus 3 raised to 6 minus 1 is the 5 and value of T6 is a given 1701 is equal to A minus 3 raised to 5. That means minus 3 is a multiply itself 5 times. Then to get A inside the bracket minus 243, because if to find out minus 3 itself 5 times, then to get multiplication of 3 raised to 5 is a minus 243. So here 1701. So this term is multiplied for A. So goes to the side to get divide. That means to get A is equal to 1701 upon 243. Then to get the solution, A is equal to cancelling numerator and denominator by 3 or directly minus 243. Then to get the solution of this, A is equal to minus 7. A is equal to minus 7.